Hi, welcome to this third tutorial on concept design. I will make a new box. So we have seen in the previous tutorial the drawing curves. There are another three tools I need to underline and explain. The first one is drop curve. The drop curve tool asks for a face and will extract from the face a parametric curve in the U on the V direction. So you see, the red curve is the curve that we are going to extract. You click and the surface is split again by the parametric curve. If I repeat this tool, you can flip the direction of the curve so we can get another curve, drop it on the surface. This tool has again another few useful options. So I click on the face. If we input a fixed distance 0.2, we could see now that the 0.2, the distance between the edge and the curve is 0.2 on this side, but if I move and I go near the other edge, 0.2 becomes on the other edge. So I can drop a curve at 0.2 meters from the edge. I will do it again and I will input again 0.2, and now that's it. I have exactly two edges of 20 centimeters on the side of the edge. This tool is very useful. Let me draw a circle by center and radius. And now our surface as a whole inside. Recall again the drop parametric curve. If I input a constraint distance 0.5, we see here 0.5 is from this edge and 0.5 is from this edge. So I can click here and I get a 0.5. If I repeat it now and the mouse is near the circle and we input 10 centimeters, 0.1, now I can have 0.1 from the right edge and 0.1 from the edge of the circle, again 0.1 from the edge of the circle and from the edge. So we can have this distance is 0.1 meters. If I recall the tool again, I stay here and I input 0.1, I can have a 0.1 from that curve and we can pull it inside. So this tool was the drop parametric curve, drop curve. Another useful tool is the offset curve. Offset curves work not only with normal curves but also with solid edges. So I can click on the offset curve. You can select two edges of the curve, right click to confirm, and we see again the offset inside or outside. So you can just click to confirm and get out piece of the surface. I would like to underline that the offset face edges is very powerful. If we have a surface like this and we recall offset face edges, I will input 0.1 to concerning the distance, and offset this by 0.1 again. The last tool I want to show is the project and merge curve. How does this work? Let's draw a curve using the Ctrl key. So this curve has not been dropped. Shift click to see that there are two different objects. So I will continue drawing an arch always with the Control key. Another one. And another line. So these curves do not belong to the surface. They are all separate curves like this. We can join these curves together using the join tool. So now they are, if I shift click, it's a polyline. We can use now the drop, project and merge curve. Select the face, this one. Select the curves, this one. And again, my surface has been split using that polycurve. If we draw a curve on a surface using the Control key, so the curve does not belong to the surface, but we would like to extend it to edges, we can use the extend tool. Select the boundary object. I'll select the solid, select the curve to extend, this one here and that one. Escape to clear the command. This curve now splits this face in two pieces. So if I use the tool project and merge on this surface, you select this curve, this surface is split in two parts. Another useful tool is the edge remove. If we draw a curve like this curve is inside the surface. If I shift click, you see I am not able to select the curve is part of the solid. So the edge remove will delete internal edges. We cannot remove edges of the solid, or so-called topological edges. So if we try to remove this edge, of course nothing will happen. These are not deletable. If we make a circle is still a removable edge.